guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Helena. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to change the color of your line art on Procreate in an easy way. So yeah, let's get started. So let's go to Procreate, and as you can see, my drawing is in black and white because I was using a brush similar to pencil. So now I want this to look blue so it can be easier for me to ink. So let's tap on layers, then tap in this layer and go to alpha lock and tap on that, and then you have to tap on the colors and choose the color you want. In this case for me it's blue, and then tap again in the layer with the drawing and fill layer, and that's all. So feel free to change the color as you wish. Just choose the color and then go again to fill layer, and you can fill the layer with any color. This is sort of like a clip mask, but it only will affect the line art, so it depends for what you want it. Some people use it for inking because it's easier for them. In my case, I use that. Other people use it for the final line art when they want the skin to look different, like a soft pink or something like that. So yeah, feel free to choose the colors you want, and for the reason you need to change or want to change the color of your line art. So yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this is useful for you. So don't forget to like if you like this video, subscribe if you feel like it, and leave me a comment if you want. That will help me a lot. So this is Helena, and see you in my next video. Bye.